This NSD Rotary reed switch is used on the turrets of Okuma's LOC650. And the reed switch is an electromechanical switching device hermetically sealed in a glass envelope. I'm gonna share the link to a video that explains that. But it's a pretty reliable method of the positioning detection. As you see this one, if we remove the lid, and you will see the IP degree protection is pretty low, I would say 40 or less. And it has the reed switch, in this case, has a magnet, which is this one. On this magnet, what it does is to activate each of the switching or reed switch that are encapsulated here. And we have the connection insulated with epoxy. So the only weak point is the exposed terminals here. As you see, I'm gonna test the wire, green or gray wire, and I was able to identify by the colors. And let me see, it should be this one. Okay, so if these are exposed, this connection are exposed, means that if you got coolant or similar inside the rotary switch, it's gonna short circuit the signals. So you have one signal per position, and this is a 12 positions sensor. So we do have 12 pins or points here, and plus you might have or need the 24 or 0 volts depending on the circuit, but that is not exposed here. So what we can do is to use dielectric grease or an epoxy resin to definitely insulate them. And I would say do not try to seal them, because if you seal, it's gonna be worse. So it's preferred to leave or remove these rubbers that seals the wires, and install the sensor with the wires pointing down. So if any liquid gains in inside the sensor, can drain through those little holes. And we also have 3 set screws. We can leave only these 2 on the top and remove the one on the bottom, and the front on the rear, in order to improve the drainage if the liquid goes in. Because if you seal the lids, let's say with an O-ring, even doing that, because the bearings are not sealed or are not waterproof, the coolant can enter through the bearing as well. Okay, as a part of the action, I would say to insulate or put the electric grease or epoxy here in this area. Thank you.